Hi, welcome to my shop. As I've mentioned in my previous video, I'm going to show you a few things I found in my treasure trove of stuff. This first one is a Precision Instruments model E600C, I believe, that I've had. It's a signal generator. Probably from the late 40s, early 50s, I'm not really sure. But there's a few features on it that I want to show you that I found quite interesting. Actually, I believe that this is brand new, never been used. And I'll show you why. Hang on a minute. First of all, the case is in perfect condition. The wrinkle finish hasn't got a scratch in it. The power cord looks to be original. You can see it looks practically new. The other indication is this little tag that I found on it. Which the string isn't even frayed, no rust showing. Here's the data plate on the back. Oh, and I stand corrected, it's a model E200C. There you see the condition of the face. So I downloaded the manual for it, and don't know what the disposition of this is going to be. Let me show you something else. Hang on. Okay, here's item number 2. Also a signal generator. An ICO. Model 315. Dial's a nice shape. Bezel's nice. Faceplate is nice. Power cord's in good shape. It's a heavy little bugger too. Generally, in a scale of 1 to 10, where 10 is the best, I'd say this is a good solid 9. Now I don't know what the inside of this looks like, or the other one, because I haven't opened them up yet. But we're going to see. Now I have 3 other, I believe they're 324s, signal generators. 2 or 3 others, can't remember. And they're actually not quite as good as this one. So I think I'm going to restore this one. And I don't know what I'm going to do with the other 2. So I don't know, maybe I'll restore at least one of them to do for a video, you know, and do a test. I don't know. Haven't decided. Okay, so hang on, I'll show you the third thing I've got to show you. Okay, here's item number 3. This is an ICO. Basically, it's a condenser checker. It's also a resistance capacitance comparator. Now this is a model number 950. Has the magic eye tube. Now there's a few others out there that I've seen that are 950Bs. I think there's a 950A also. Old 64 Goat has a 950B. A couple other guys. Not quite sure the difference. There is a difference. You'll notice the binding posts where the other ones have an amphenol connector on them. It's got them on both sides. Other than that, I'm not quite sure what the difference is. However, as I don't have any of these, and I do want one, I'm going to restore this one. And this one is in good shape in the front, the sides, the back, the other side, and the cord. Now if this one's been used, it's been used very, very little. And we'll get to the insides of this whenever I do this, but this one I'm definitely, come on, focus. Either my eyes are really blurry today or that's not in focus. Anyhow, we're going to do a rebuild on this so that I can use it. So that's what I had to show you today. 3 pieces of test equipment that we're going to do something with. And in one of my upcoming videos, I'm going to show you some of the other projects that we're going to be working on this year. Hopefully. So with that, I'd like to thank you for stopping by. I'd appreciate a thumbs up, a subscribe, a like, comment. Anything you care to give would be appreciated. And we'll see you on the next one. Take care.